Scott Holbrook, Director of Sales, Secure Sling and Strap. I was actually in Walmart doing a little bit of shopping. I happened through the ratchet aisle and I noticed something that I just really felt the need to show all of you, and that's just these cheap Walmart straps. These hyper tough. You get 4 of them for 20 bucks, but just the quality is just completely bad. I mean, you're risking people's lives, not just your furniture or your coolers or your own property, but people that drive behind you when you're securing with this rubbish of a strap. You can see they're actually coming undone. The threads are coming out in these. It's not safe for anyone on the road. I urge you not to buy cheap stuff from Walmart, and go ahead and pick up a real strap from securesling.com. The 1-inch super ratchet. It's gonna hold more weight. You see these cheap straps are only holding 300 pounds for the working load limit, whereas you get that extra 500 when you're using the secure strap. It's a more versatile strap. It's a better made strap, better quality. You're not gonna be putting your property or the lives of other people at risk. I just wanted to share that real quick, and head over to securesling.com and pick yourself up some high quality ratchet tie downs.